Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried to resize an object in Inkscape only to end up with a stretched or squashed image that looks completely distorted? Maintaining the correct aspect ratio is essential for professional design work, and in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to do it efficiently in Inkscape. Whether you are a beginner or looking to speed up your workflow, these techniques will save you a lot of headache. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more design tips. Let's jump right into the software. To start, make sure you have the selection tool active, which you can quickly trigger by pressing the S key on your keyboard. Select the object or the group of objects you want to resize. Now, look up at the Tool Controls bar, located right beneath the main menu. This area is the hub for all your transformation settings. The easiest way to keep your proportions locked is to use the dedicated lock icon. You'll see it positioned directly between the W and H input fields for width and height. Simply click that icon so it looks closed or highlighted. Once it's locked, whenever you change the numerical value in the width or height boxes, Inkscape will automatically calculate the matching dimension to keep the shape consistent. This also applies when you manually drag the corner handles of your object with your mouse. Now, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, which I highly recommend for a faster workflow, you can bypass the lock icon entirely. Simply grab one of the corner handles of your object and hold down the Control key on your keyboard while dragging. This action forces Inkscape to snap the scaling to the original aspect ratio, effectively overriding the current state of that lock icon. Sometimes, though, you might want to resize an object relative to its center point. In that case, add the Shift key into the mix. Hold both Shift and Control while dragging a corner handle, and you'll see the object shrink or expand perfectly from the middle, which is incredibly useful for centering designs. For those of you who need extreme precision, open the Transform panel by pressing Ctrl-Shift-M. Inside, navigate to the Scale tab and ensure the box for Scale Proportionally is checked. This ensures that any input you provide keeps the design looking exactly as intended. Also, remember to keep an eye on the Scale Stroke Width icon in the top right of the toolbar. If this is toggled on, your outlines will grow or shrink in thickness along with the object. If you leave it off, your stroke thickness will stay the same, regardless of how big or small you make the object. As a quick summary, use S for your selection tool, hold Control to lock proportions during a manual drag, include Shift to scale from the center, and use Ctrl-Shift-M for the Transform panel. Mastery of these shortcuts will make your design process much smoother. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Inkscape tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing!